friends, this is Mainak from Civil Center and I welcome all of you back to our channel. Today we are at a site of manufacturing of hollow bricks. Hollow bricks, as you always know, are also called hollow concrete bricks. These are alternate materials which are used for masonry works in construction. Their advantages are they are of lower weight and they require less cement for bonding. They are environment friendly as well. As you know, in some states government has banned red clay bricks because red clay bricks utilize the fertile or the most helpful layer for farming. So to save the fertile soil for farmers, the government has banned red bricks in many states. So the use of alternate bricks like the fly ash bricks and these hollow bricks is increasing rapidly. So as you can see that these hollow bricks are being manufactured at this plant. Now as you can see that this is a concrete block machine. In this machine the hollow bricks are being cut to size. So before that, let us go to our concrete mixing machine here and see what raw materials are being used. You can see the raw materials required are your coarse aggregates. You can see that coarse aggregates, these are the chips. These are the chips as you can see here, and these are the rock powder. So we have the chips and we have the rock powder, and we also require cement and water. So in the concrete mixing machine, this mortar or concrete mix, or you can say the mix for this hollow bricks is prepared. So when the mix for the hollow bricks is prepared using these three ingredients, that is the stone chips, rock powder and cement, after this the mortar is then placed in this concrete block making machine, and here the blocks are being prepared. As you can see, one freshly prepared set of blocks you can see here. After the preparation of the blocks, they are soaked in the sunlight. Proper care is taken of them to maintain their quality. As you can see, this is the machine and one batch of the concrete mix is coming. Now we'll show you live how they make these concrete blocks. They'll fill the concrete here and then they'll start making the blocks. So now the one batch is coming. They are placing it here. Now after placing sufficient amount of concrete, he'll start the machine. So friends, what do you think are the other advantages of these hollow bricks other than which I have mentioned in this video? Please comment below in our comment section. Meanwhile, as you can see, another batch has arrived. Now he will remove any unnecessary items, and you can see, as you can see, he is inserting this into these blocks. Now he has turned on the machine, which is vibrating, so the concrete is going in. Now he has filled it completely. Now it's turned on. Now as you can see, repeated motions for making the blocks. And there you have the finished products. So friends, as you saw the manufacturing process of these hollow concrete bricks. This is a freshly grown startup venture which is popular all over the world because of the need of alternate materials for masonry works. Please do comment below your knowledge or your feedback of this video, and also if you want to say anything about this hollow concrete blocks, please do comment below. See you in the next video. Bye bye.